Well, I think that the first thing, just like with any kind of digital transformation, is to understand what problem you're trying to solve. Understand what problem you're trying to solve, understand the state of your supply chain and the people within it. And instead of adopting AI for the sake of adopting AI, try to figure out how AI can better serve the people that work within your organization, the people that you serve as a customers, and find a way to deliver value to them. It's all about being able to build value. And in terms of how do you become people centric, you listen to the people, you understand the work that they're doing and where you can help augment the work that they're doing, or more importantly, replace some menial, manual labor type, not manual, mundane, heavy lifting from a tech perspective. The jobs that repetitive that people don't like to do, replace those and let people do other things that can add value to the business.